Hello everyone, my beautiful people. Welcome back to Mother Fashion YouTube channel. Your daily dose of fashion, beauty and lifestyle inspiration. If you are new here, I am your host Maaz, and today we are talking about one of the most stylish women in the world, Kate Middleton. Kate Middleton was born on January 9, 1982 in Berkshire. She grew up in a loving family and developed a passion for art and design. After completing her education, she worked in the real and marketing industries before becoming a full-time royal. Kate's fashion sense is classic, elegant and sophisticated. She is a fan of British designers like Alexander McQueen and Adam, and was worth some stunning outfits over the years. From her icon wedding dresses to her chic maternity styles, Kate's fashion journey is a must-see for any fashion enthusiast. Over the years, Kate's style has evolved from a more bohemian look to a more polished, gradual aesthetic. She is not afraid to take risks and try new trends, but always stays true to her classic style. Kate's fashion influence ranged from her mother, Crowley Middleton, to fashion icons like Audrey Hepburn and Jacqueline Kennedy. She has also been inspired by her husband Prince William and his sense of style. From her stunning red carpet looks to her chic strap style, Kate's fashion moments are always highly anticipated. She is a true fashion icon and role model for women around the world. Thanks everyone for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for Mother Fashion for more content like this. We upload daily videos on, so be sure to hit that notification bell to stay updated on all our latest content. Don't forget to check out our other videos on royal fashion, including Meghan Markle style evolution and Queen's icon looks. And if you are new here, consider subscribing to Mother Fashion for daily dose for fashion, beauty and lifestyle inspiration. We love having you as a part of our community and cannot wait to share more content with you. Thanks again for watching, and until next time, stay stylish and fabulous everyone. Kate Middleton fashion sense is a perfect blend for classic and modern style. She is a true fashion icon and a role model for women for all ages. Her fashion journey is a testament for her confidence and personal style. From her stunning gowns to her chic street style, Kate's fashion moments are always highly anticipated. She is a true fashion inspiration and a must-follow for any fashion enthusiast. Don't forget to hit that notification bell to stay updated on all our latest content. We upload daily videos, so be sure to check back soon for more fashion, beauty and lifestyle inspiration. Thanks for being part of Mother Fashion community. We love having you there. Stay tuned for more royal fashion content, including Melania's stump style evolution and Queen's icon looks. And don't forget to check out our special media channel for more fashion inspiration and behind the scenes content. We are so glad you are here and cannot wait to share more content with you. Until next time, stay stylish and fabulous everyone. Mother Fashion is your daily dose of fashion, beauty and lifestyle inspiration. Don't forget to subscribe. We love fashion and we know you do too. So let's stay stylish together. Thanks for watching and don't forget to hit the notification bell. My beautiful viewers, thanks for watching and don't forget to hit that notification bell. We will see you in the next videos. If you are new here, consider subscribing to Mother Fashion for daily dose for fashion, beauty and lifestyle inspiration. We have a new video uploading every day, so be sure to check back soon for more content. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to stay up to date on all our latest videos. We love having you as a part of our community and cannot wait to share more inspiration fashion with you. Stay stylish, stay fabulous, and we will see you in the next videos. Mother Fashion is your go-to destination for all things fashion, beauty and lifestyle. Don't forget to subscribe. We are so glad you are here and cannot wait to share more content with you. From royal fashion to celebrity style, we have got you covered. Thanks for watching and don't forget to hit that notification bell. We will see you in the next videos, so enjoy our videos and please watch this video till the end. My dear subscribers and all my viewers, you can see here American woman, Belgian woman, France woman, England woman, Italy woman, worldwide woman, the best fashion I will show you in my videos. So my beautiful viewers, if you want to buy these dresses, you can visit any online store. My beautiful subscribers and all my viewers, if you are new here, please subscribe my channel and click the notification bell. My dear subscribers and all my viewers, if you want to buy these dresses, you can visit any online store. My dear subscribers and all my viewers, if you are new here, I want to tell you this is Mother Fashion YouTube channel. In this channel you will see every type of fashion of women's, plus size women fashion, royal fashion. So my beautiful viewers, in this video we will take you through a range of stunning dresses. We will provide you with styling tips, outfit ideas and even sizing guidance to make your winter wardrobe choose easier. My beautiful viewers, we understand that finding the right size can be a challenging. So we will be share some tips to ensure you select the perfect fit for your body type. Stay up to date with the latest trends and learn how to incorporate them into your plus size wardrobe. If you are a plus size fashion enthusiast or looking for inspiration for your winter wardrobe, this video is perfect for you. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel for more inclusive fashion content. My beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, please tell me in comment box what do you like in my videos and which type of video do you like in future. So my beautiful viewer, whether you prefer a long flowing gown or a knee-length dresses with delicate details, our fashion showcase includes a variety of options to suit your personal style. You will also find valuable advice on accessorizing so you can create a complete and harmonious look like that complement the wedding theme. Don't miss out on the opportunity to make a statement and crush beautiful memories with your family. Join us in this fashion journey as we help you discover the perfect mother of the bride dresses for a day you always assure. Remember to hit the like, subscribe button and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest fashion related content. Your perfect mother of the bride dresses is awaited. Take care.